Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm inside ChatGPT and then I just asked a simple question, why is the earth round? And this is their explanation. Now, in order to save this chat as a PDF, we need to click on where it says share on the top right hand corner, click on share, and then click on update link or copy link. And now copy the link. Now you want to go ahead and paste that link here, and then I'm going to hit enter. From here, we can highlight everything inside the conversation, even mine if I like, but I'm just going to do their explanation. And now from here, I'm going to click right click and then click print. And then it's going to say save as PDF destination. Keep it as that. If you got more pages, you can click on customize. You can muck around with the portrait or landscape if you like. So you can have a play around all these settings. Now, once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on save, and that's going to give you an option to save it inside your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. Now I'm going to open up my files. So I'm just going to drag these over here. Here is the PDF here saved in my download. So I'm just going to open this up, and here it is as a saved as a PDF, the ChatGPT conversation.